Hi, my name is Sean. I'm a pinsetter mechanic. I'm certified to work on Brunswick A, A2, and jetback pinsetters. Today we're going to be doing adjustment 47, the counter microswitch adjustment. I don't know who this adjustment's going to apply to, but it's in the book. I'm going to do it. Half our counters, if you're one of those older houses that still have the counters up at the front desk, then I guess this can apply to you. If not, then don't worry about it. Half of our counters work, half of them don't. But then at the same time, with the sync scoring system, we can go in and we can check exactly how many games and everything else for bolts. We don't really need the counter switches, but we still have them. I've never done this adjustment because it basically it's like one position, so I didn't know that you could adjust this. So first thing we're gonna have to do is cycle it to 270 degrees, setting new pins. Okay, let me get my flashlight. What you're looking for is that right there. It says that if you have to adjust it, which you shouldn't have to, you're going to loosen the mounting bolts here, and you're just basically going to move it until you hear click. Once you hear click, then you're good. The only counter switch that I've ever had problems with is one, and it double counts. So instead of it only counting whenever it goes to 270, it counts at 90. No, hold on, what does it count? It doesn't just count frame, it counts cycles. So if it goes, it counts its first ball cycle, it counts its second ball cycle. So basically one frame is 2. Other than that though, I'm like, okay. So you take what it says on the counter, divide that in half, and that's how many frames have been bowled on it. So honestly, I like it doing every cycle, because then I know, like, I know a little bit more. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay. Yeah, loosen the counter microswitch mounting bolts and position the switch that the pad on the deck lift shaft is holding the switch button in. Tighten the mounting bolts. Care should be taken to prevent the switch from being positioned to permit the pad to hit the microswitch twice, once going down and again on the way up. What one does. Note, if the deck must remain in a lowered position for any length of time with the power on, raise the deck enough to prevent the pad on the deck shaft from depressing the counter. The solenoids controlling the counter are not rated for continuous duty and they can burn out. Oh, that's probably why most of ours don't work then. I seriously doubt that's what anybody did. Not only that, but at the same time, like, why do you have the deck down with the power on? How is the deck maybe at 270 you like lock it out or something like that, but even then you shouldn't be down there. So I don't know. Okay, that's a new one to me. All right, this is in the adjustment. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like sharing the video, that'd be appreciated. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.